Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to interchange the pages of any PDF file for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly let me show you, say I have one PDF file here. So let me open it. So you can see here I have different pages on this PDF file, right? So how you can interchange, that means say I want to change the page 3 or want to move the page 3 to page 2, and I want to move the page 2 to the page 3, that is I want to interchange these two. So for this what you need to do is just open any web browser and in the Google search just search for one application name as LibreOffice, and on the first list you will see its official website. Just click on it. Now on the above you can see download, just click on it and just click on this download LibreOffice, and below you can see here choose your operating system. So which operating system you are using, download as per your needs. So right now I'm using Windows, so I'm gonna download the Windows version. So just click on download, wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to run the software installer. Just click on next, click on next, click on install, wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the installation has been completed. Now just click on finish, and now you can see a shortcut icon of this software, so you can see on the desktop. So just double click it to open or run this software. So now after opening this software, just drag your PDF file which you want to edit. So now just click on OK. Now you can see here a different page of this PDF file, right? So you can see here I have 4 different files. So I want to interchange this page number 3 into page number 2, that is I want to move this page number 3 to page number 2, and I want to move this page number 2 to the page number 3. So how you can do this? So for this what you need to do is just select the respective page number. So I've selected the 2 and I want to move it to 3, right? So for this what you need to do is, you can see on the above option written page, just click on it, and now below you can see here move, right? So you can see here page up or page down. So I want to move this page number 2 to 3, right? So I have selected the page number 2. So what I will do is I want to move it to 3, so I will just select this page down. So the page number 2 is moved to the page number 3. So similarly you can do the same thing. Say you want to move the page number 3 to page number 2, then just select the page number 3 and move back to the same option, that is a page, and click on this move and just click on this page up, so it will move to the page number 2. So let me interchange the page 2 to page 3 again by selecting the page down. So I have changed it. So once you are done with your interchange of the pages of any PDF file, then just click on this file and click on this set export as and export directly as PDF. So I'll just put it here, edited, click on save. Let me minimize this. So let us open if it's changed or not. So you can see it's perfectly working fine. So we're gonna compare with the original one, so we'll check. So this is the original one. So you can see here this was page number 3 on the original, and this one is the page number 2. So let me check the edited one. So you can see here the page number 3 has become a page number 2, and the page number 2 has become a page number 3. So using this free software named as LibreOffice, you can easily interchange the pages of any PDF file for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks on how to interchange the pages of any PDF file for free in Windows, Mac and Linux computer, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.